Is it good to practice yoga in the morning or in the evening? See, it is always recommended to practice yoga at morning times. Why? Because your stomach is empty. In yoga, we do a lot of asanas. We twist our spine, we bend back, we bend forward. If you have a food in the stomach, you feel so discomfort. Yes, you can do in the evening time also, but you have to finish lunch at least 3 to 4 hours before. Why? Because when you are going to practice yoga in the evening time, by the time you practice yoga, the food has to be digested. Otherwise, what happens? You feel discomfort. With keeping food in the stomach, you don't feel like doing yoga asanas. Hence, it is recommended to do it the morning time only. If you cannot do morning time, please do it in the evening time. Have early lunch. You will enjoy.